Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will find the value of x in this given equation. Right, so let me start with, okay, this is 5 raised to power of x is equal to 1 over, so solution to the problem, okay, 1 over root of 5 raised to power 2 over 3. Okay, so firstly, if we have root a, this is equal to a raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, and also if we have a, okay, if we have a root a raised to power 2 over 3, okay, this is equal to a raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by this root, which is 1 over 2. Okay, so 1 over 2, okay, so which is equal to a raised to power of 2 times 1 here is 2. Okay, so you can even say these two as take these two, so such that 1 over 3 remain. Okay, 1 divided by 3. So I'm going to use this to solve this question. Right, so now here that we are having 5 raised to power x, okay, is equal to 1 over root 5 raised to power 2 over 3. Okay, 5 raised to power x is equal to 1 over this root, now come back to the power. Okay, so here is going to be 5 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2, okay, from this rule. Alright, so now these two can cancel these two, so we are left with 5 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 5 raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, alright, so since these two has cancelled these two, alright, so now we can just cross multiply. So this is going to be 5 raised to power x, okay, multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 over 3 once this one has come to this place. Okay, so we left with equal to 1. Right, so yeah, from the rule of indices, if we have a raised to power b multiplied by a raised to power c, this is going to be equal to a raised to power b. We have base a here raised to power b, we also have base a here raised to power c. So we are going to pick one of the base according to the rule of indices. Okay, according to the rule of indices, we are going to pick one of the base and add the power if we have multiplication in between them. Okay, so here that we are having multiplication, we just add the power, so this is going to be b plus c. Okay, so here we are having b plus c, but supposing we are having a raised to power b divided by a raised to power c, this is going to be a raised to power, so since we are having division here, it is going to be subtraction at the power. Okay, so here is going to be b minus c, but I only need this to solve the problem. All right, so from here we have 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 over 3. So this can be just say 5 raised to power x. Okay, since we are having multiplication, so there is going to be plus the second power, which is 1 over 3. All right, so this is equal to 1. So okay, so from here we can just find the LCM at the power. So this is going to be 5 raised to power the LCM here of x in addition to 1 upon 3 is 3. So our LCM here is 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 1, so x, this is x divided by 1. Okay, so 3 divided by 1 is 3. Okay, 3 times x is going to be 3x. All right, so plus 3 divided by 3 here at the denominator is going to be 1. So 1 times 1 at the denominator, here we are having 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1. All right, yeah, okay, so this is 5 raised to power 3x. Okay, be noted, whenever we are having let me say, if we have a value, any value raised to power 0, this is equal to 1 from the rule of indices. Okay, if we have any value raised to power 0, this is equal to 1. So now that we are having, this is 3x plus 1 over 3, okay, is equal to 1. Instead of 1, I can replace 1 with 5 raised to power 0. Since we said any value raised to power 0 is equal to 1, okay, then also 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now, since this is equal to this, we have 5 at the base at the left hand side, okay, so we have 5 at the base at the right hand side, so this base can cancel each other. We are left with this one and 0, so this one cannot be equal to, okay, 3x plus 1 over 3 will now be equal to 0. All right, so let me just finish it up here. Okay, so here we are left with 3x plus 1 over 3, right, equals to 0. So this is just basic. We can multiply both sides by 3, okay, so this side multiply by 3, okay, 3x plus 1 divided by 3, okay, so and at this side also multiply by 3. So when we are multiplying this side by 3, this is numerator, this is at the top, so they can cancel each other, okay. We are left with 3x plus 1, okay, equal to 0 times 3 is 0, okay. So here I want to make my x the subject of the formula, so I just transfer this one to the right hand side. So this is going to be 3x equal to, when this one is coming to the right hand side, it will come with a negative value, okay, so minus 1. So supposing it is negative, it will come with positive, but now it is positive, it will come to the right hand side with a negative. All right, so here also I can divide both sides by 3 to make my x the subject of the formula, okay. So this is going to be 3x over 3 equals to minus 1 over 3, such that this can cancel this, okay. This one can take this one, remaining we are left with x now is equal to minus 1 over 3, okay. So we can say therefore the value of x is equal to minus 1 over 3, okay. So guys, please, if you like this video, you can just subscribe to my channel and share, like the video, okay. So you can turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop the kind of video like this, you'll be able to have access to watch, okay. So thank you.